Second, come on. There we go. What up, Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades? And I'm so glad you guys could be here today. We are going to talk about Bitcoin's price dumping right now, what happened with AMP and why it dumped. But also, there are 2 or 3 or 4 cryptocurrencies that are skyrocketing as we speak. And they are just going on a tear. And that is CELO and SOLANA and SushiSwap. They got like $100 million cash inflow. We will talk about that. We will talk about Bitcoin, and it possibly might need to go back down to 44,000 or even 40,000. I don't like saying that before we can make it to 50. We'll see. Or there could be a sudden pump. So all those things we are yet to know about Bitcoin and what is going to happen with it. So I'm really happy to have you guys here. This is Bitcoin Decoded episode number 4. I never said that before. I should say it, and I'm going to say it in every episode now. So, and these streams seem to have life to them and lasting, the thumbnails do. They do good over time, and that's what's cool. And so this, as you can see on the bottom of the thumbnail, is episode number 4. And we're going to have a lot of talks today, but also we're going to be doing giveaways, guys. You shouldn't have left. I was just getting to the good part. We are going to give away crypto to you guys. We're going to give 500 Bitcoin Satoshis, maybe a couple different times, to the best questions, comments, poems, riddles. Ooh, riddles. That'd be kind of cool. Or questions asked to me. So, what up, Tim? What up, XDR0? My homies. My homies are, of course, here first. Maybe one day I'll take a trip to Portugal and we'll hang out. You'll have to show me the beaches down there and where all the hot babes hang out. Thanks to everybody for being here. What did you guys want to talk about tonight? I don't have anything. No, I'm just kidding. We have a lot for you. Let's look at Bitcoin first. Well, first, let's fix my head. There we go. That's what we do first. But I want to start the episodes with, me and you just saying, hey, what's up, guys? Because I want it to be a little more personal. I feel like, yeah, we need to get to the point, but also I want to connect with you guys as well, because this is an interactive community. But let's get right into Bitcoin. I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time. This stream's only going to be about an hour, possibly an hour and a half tops. So depending on what you guys want to do. Look at this. Bitcoin is dropped. Okay, we broke down out of this rising wedge. And we broke down once, we broke down twice. And it didn't look as bad. But look at the third time now. We really broke down out of it hardcore. So luckily we do have the 200-day moving average as support at right around $46,086. So if we break this support right here, guys, we are going to fall to right here. Exactly 43,870. We might catch a little higher at 44,000, which is probably the most likely scenario. But I think if we touch 44, we're probably going to hit 43 and then bounce back up. I don't think that we need to go back down to here. This was our last reset point, 38,000. I don't think that we need to touch anywhere in the 30,000s again right now. We're done with the 30,000s this bull cycle, at least until we go back down. But as you see, remember these lines that I drew? Look how almost perfectly they are matching with how it's actually going. See, that isn't my line drawn anymore. That's the actual thing. And now if you just draw this line up here, right about here, maybe a little further, they're going to intersect and we're going to have a golden cross right here. So that's going to be amazing. That's going to be right around the area where Bitcoin is going to blast off. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. A lot of people don't put a lot of weight to golden crosses, but I think this one's going to be in just amazing. Yeah, it was like not incredible, but amazing. But on the daily, the RSI is down to 53. What is going on here? We cannot break 50,000. This psychological level has plateaued us, and it's actually consolidated us downwards. So if we get a lower low right here than we did before, you better hope that this 200-day moving average can keep us afloat. Because if it can't keep us afloat, then why would we do it, right? So let's look closer at the charts. I want to see if there's any patterns that I'm, seeing. Is there anything? We're so far out of the inverse head and shoulders that it didn't play out. So now we have this clear support line right here above the 200-day moving average. So, and that's at 46,900, right where we're at right now. This is our level of support right here, guys. We wicked below it just a little bit there, but now we're sitting like right on it. So, the 4-hour, I mean, I still see an inverse head and shoulders, but yeah, I think that's done. I think it didn't play out, and now it's over. That's something they don't really tell you when you study it, how long that lasts, how long till after it's not considered valid. Maybe that's just a judgment call thing, but yeah, we would have had to break above that point for the inverse head and shoulders. So, but if you zoom out, it's still there on the daily. That's the thing. So it could still possibly be a thing on the daily. Because if you really look at it, actually that didn't help a lot, but you can see that's lower than this. So there's the head, there's the shoulder, and then here's the other shoulder. You could say that that whole thing is the shoulder. So you could still say that we still need to break the neckline, but it doesn't look too pretty to me. We keep, touching the neckline and then breaking down. So it's like we have a trampoline up here, and then we go up and we have a trampoline up here. Or actually, it's more like we have a trampoline down here, and we hit a ceiling here, and then we break, like imagine if you were jumping on a trampoline with a low ceiling. That's what's happening here. I wouldn't want to be this guy's neck. Jumping on a trampoline with a low ceiling, yeah, you'd have a crick in the neck after that. For real. Ooh, my neck just started hurting when I said that. Maybe in some alternate reality, I just did what I just said there. I jumped on a trampoline and broke my neck old bones. But yeah, so I think we're probably going to have to reset, guys. We didn't do it. We didn't do it. We didn't do it. So either we're going to have an out of nowhere blast off, or, which doesn't really make sense for this scenario, or we just consolidate further and go back down and test these levels again and go to 44,000. And I mean, there's clear support and clear resistance that we just keep going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So it hasn't looked good for altcoins because of that, though. Unfortunately, when Bitcoin does stuff like this, it affects the price of altcoins negatively. Because when it goes up, not all the altcoins go up, but when it goes down, the altcoins kind of follow it down because it moves the whole market. It's really weird how that works. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum was really doing good today. It was at 3,300 when I woke up, and Bitcoin wasn't even at 49 yet. Look at how much it pumped up today. And then it just dumped out of nowhere. Again, we get like almost to these points, and there is some real heavy resistance, like obviously on these levels right there, that it just cannot break over. And yeah, hopefully that kind of invalidates this head and shoulder pattern right here because it broke up, right? So you could actually say there's an inverse head and shoulders here too. It does kind of look like one, but they're kind of the same level. I wouldn't call that one as much as the Bitcoin one at all. So I do kind of see like a bull flag looking thing here on Bitcoin, but I don't like to call that because it's probably not. But look what I see, like from all the way over here to all the way over there, and then from all the way over here to all the way over there. Looks pretty bull flaggy with a pole right here. From the bottom of the bull flag to the top of the bull flag, or the bottom of the pole to the top of the bull flag, right? So now let's grab that and then put it from the top here, and we're probably going to be at 54,000, 53 or 54, because that's always been the area. Yeah, 54,000. So I see a bull flag, inverse head and shoulders. Probably not, but cool if it did. I think we need to reset. All the bullish patterns that I've been seeing haven't been playing out. So what that tells me is we're not in a bull trend right now. We're in a bull market. We're just not in a bull trend. The market is declining. We're not having the volume to do anything. That's why in the market and in the news, it's been telling us that, yeah, the price is going up, but the movement on the Bitcoin blockchain is going down. So that just means, guys, that a lot of people are sitting on their Bitcoin and they don't want to sell it at these levels. And the people that are trying to move the market, you know, are trying to do it with not as much power because so many people are sitting on it. So I think this is just liquidating shorts and longs, and getting, you know, leverage traders wrecked before we move either to the downside to retest before a blast off or just a blast off. That's what's going to happen. One of those two scenarios. You can mark it down, you can write it on a note, you can staple it to your forehead, but that's one of those two things are going to happen. We are either going to reset and blast off, you know, back to 44, even 42, 43, 40, and then all the way back up past into the 50,000 ranges, or Bitcoin is just going to find the strength, you know, courage up, muster up the energy, and just break through resistance. And then we hang out in the 50,000 range anyway. Aren't you guys tired of hanging out in the low or in the high 40,000s? Isn't it time to hang out in the low 50,000s? So I'd rather be hanging out right up about here, you know, about the $54,000. This is our next resistance, serious resistance point. So why have we not made it up to that point yet? Well, they want to make sure that they get rid of all the weak hands first. We went up really fast at first. This sideways action, all it is to me is a continuation pattern. And that's what I see right here, especially when I just put that line. Let's put it back where I just got it from. And what do you see? An ascending triangle. Okay, well, it did kind of break to the downside right there, but let's take it out. You want to touch as many places as possible. Whatever one touches the most points is how it is. So would you want it to be right here? That's what it would be. So that's still an ascending triangle. Right there. Booyah, booyah, to booyah. So that's the actual support right here. It went below support right there. Because you wanted to touch as many places as possible. Well, that's 3. Any other way, if you did it like this, it's only touching 2 places. So you wanted to touch 3, you have to bring it up. It's whatever lines touches, you know, it has to touch the most. The same with on top. Wherever it touches the most, that's where your support on the bottom and your resistance on the top is. So just keep that in mind. If you didn't know, which you probably did, but not everybody knows that. I didn't know that until recently. I was like, how do you know which points are the most? Well, it's just whatever you can have touch the line the most, where, you know, that's the resistance line. And on the bottom, the same thing. You have to have it touch the most places, and that's where your support is. So you learn something new every day. See, I'm still new to TA. So basically, we talk about Bitcoin, we look at the prices, I tell you patterns, but we don't really trade off of them in the short term. We buy the dips. This is some of the TA guys might actually make money off of this. I don't know. I tell you the patterns that I see, but I also tell you I never said that this inverse head and shoulders broke out to the upside. Never once did you hear me say that. I said unless we break this neckline, then it's invalid. And the same thing with this ascending triangle. You got to keep in mind that unless it breaks out one way or the other, and normally these have been breaking to the downside, I've noticed a lot lately. Ascending triangle, break to the downside. Ascending triangle, break to the downside. Ascending triangle, break to the downside. You see a pattern here? Well, instead of going up right away, it goes down and then back up. So the ascending triangle breaks down and then goes up. So it's been really erratic lately. But if we can get this to bounce up to the top here and just break out and go up to 54,000, where it actually belongs, in my opinion, then we're good to go. So this is a nice little first floor accumulation with the 3 peaks in a domed house pattern. So this is the 1, 2, 3 peaks. Then you have a smaller one that leads to a basement. Then you have a first floor. Then this is what it's going to look like afterwards. Then it goes, you know, first floor, and then, booyah. Okay, back down. Whoops, I wasn't supposed to do that, but yeah, you know what I mean. Whoop. Okay, now let's go look what that looks like. It's probably going to be really messy, but yeah, it's like a top hat almost. See, it goes up, and then it'll have one more dip at the top, before finally the very top floor and the domed house. So this is a domed house at $100 and some thousand. I actually think it'll go right about here. This is where I think it's going. Right? $112,000. Can you limbo? See that? And it looks like a smiley. Ooh, hi there, guys. Hi there. Alright. What does he look like? Anything? I have no clue what's going on, but yeah. So then it's gonna dump back down to lower levels. So that's what it's gonna look like. A little bit. That's really bad drawing. But yeah, so Ethereum, good luck. Bitcoin, good luck. So what I wanted to talk about Cardano. Is it still a good purchase? Is Cardano still a good investment? Should I buy this coin still? Well, let's see what price it is. $2.72, of course. At this price, I don't think so. I'm going to wait for a dip. But Cardano smart contracts coming in. Who knows how far it will dip, right? Last time it went to 250, it went up and blasted off again. So Cardano is definitely still one of the best investments out there. It is number 3, right? Yep, number 3, Mr. Cardano. So we've had a little bit of a dump lately, but that's because it's been way high, you know, and everything just dumped now. We had to have a reset, obviously. We had a reset, we had another reset, and then we have this is actually the real reset. So this is like buying the dip, or no, buying what you thought was the dip, buying what you thought was the dip, the real dip, no, the real dip. That's what it is. So yes, Cardano is still a good purchase. Smart contracts are still coming. It's still buy the frickin' rumor, sell the news. So it's still a rumor of smart contracts. Until it is in the news and it's actually implemented, will we see the real effects from it. So, not financial advice, but Cardano is still a boss. And I really am sad that I didn't call a $3 Cardano, because if I would have looked at it, I probably would have, and I would have invested in it too, but I was too late. So look how many watch lists this is on. 1,335,210 watch lists. Well, want to make it one more? No, I'm not signed in. It won't let me. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? Let's see what else. Cryptocurrencies ranking. Let's go to global charts. I wanted to take a look at this with you guys today. Let's see what the total cryptocurrency market cap is for today. I like to look at these. Oh, okay. We're still at the same place. Why? Why isn't it not moving? Because it's the 30th today. This is still only the... Oh, okay, we do have a 30th. Sweet. So we are only at 2 trillion, though. We've lost 300 billion in the last day. Or, hold on, in the last 2 days. Because this is like every 2 days, I think. Yeah, it was 2 days. There's not a 29th on there. So it went from the 28th to the 30th, and the 25th before that, and then the 23rd, 25th, 28th, 30th. So it goes 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's the way that it goes with that pattern. At least that's the way it looks. So we're at over 100 billion 24-hour volume. That's the thing. Look at on the 28th, we're only at 92 billion. So although our market cap was higher, we were trading less. And now ours is a little bit lower, but we're trading more, right? So that means people are selling. That's what that means to me. There's less of a market cap and there's more volume. So that means that people are selling off their crypto. There was obviously a big sell-off for some reason, one way or another. I don't know why. I don't know. There wasn't a big sell-off, because look at that before here. Those are big sell-offs. This was a small... I mean, we don't even have the volume of a normal bull market. That's what's weirding me out with crypto. And this is a strange thing. If we keep going up and we don't have the volume or anything, then this isn't artificial pumping. This is a bunch of ground floor accumulation. And it brings our low, however much Bitcoin is in locked cold storage. Here, let me move my head out of the way so that I can show you this, what I'm talking about. Over here. Look how less, not up here, look right down here where my arrow is. Look at all the accumulation, even when we started to rise over here. And even here, of course, people are accumulating right here, of course, because that's when we had the, the event. And that's when it went way down to $3,000. And then, boom. But look at this bull market. We aren't having the normal volume of a bull market, if you look. I mean, even the RSI is lower now, which this is on track because we haven't raised, but we're not getting sharp uptrends and spikes. We're starting to gradually go up. It looks more like a hill than a mountain, right? These look like mountains. This looks like a hill or a staircase even. Like, these are big mountains you climb and then slide down, climb and then slide down. This one is just like a gradual trek, like you're climbing a big old staircase. Slightly up, over, which is okay, but it makes me think that the new bottom of Bitcoin is right around 28,000, honestly. And if you go to the very bottom of when we tanked, we still had a market cap of 1.2 trillion, and we had a 24-hour volume of only less than half of what we're at now, 56 billion. So even at our lowest level, we are still really active in the market of a lot of trading volume. Look at that. So, and there wasn't a whole lot of volume here when it dumped. There was right here when it first dumped. But the second dump wasn't as bad. This was more of like a big person moved money around to dump the market so they could buy more. I bet you that's what happened right here. Like big money, like billions of dollars, probably sold billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and then bought at a cheaper price. And that's why it moved like that without a lot of volume. because volume means that tons of people are buying it and tons of trades are coming in, not just one big trade. You know, that volume, it would come a little bit, but when you get tons of people buying, that's real volume. This is like a 1 or 2 whale volume, in my opinion. So this is a pretty good video so far, days. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Let's go and look at the live chat and see how you guys are doing over there. Whoops. Right here. Hey guys, let's look and see if there's anything about this. Will Bitcoin be a good investment? Oh, cool, we have questions, so let's go up and look at all of them. Or is that the top? Is that the top? It is. Okay, so this is the first question. Will Bitcoin be a good investment after some investors complains because of profit drops? Well, the investors that complain about profit drops are either like me earlier, just mad, just upset a little bit, and knows the price will go up. It just, you know, kind of makes you have kind of like an irritated day. But if they are getting mad and complaining and actually selling and doing something and, like, you know, buying out of Bitcoin, then that's their own problem. That's not going to affect the price of Bitcoin at all. It's not going to do anything to Bitcoin. Not whatsoever, because there's not enough people to complain about Bitcoin to make the profit drop enough to significantly do anything. That's not going to stop Michael Saylor's $4 billion investment in Bitcoin and Cathie Wood's ARK investment in Bitcoin, right? So, I know a lot of people are a little bit upset that it didn't break 50K, and I am one of them. We've been waiting for weeks for it to do that. But you know how good of a thing in the long term that is? The longer that it takes us to break 50K, the more support that we are going to have once we finally beat it. And that's why we haven't just pummeled to 40K. Because you notice as we go up, and it looks like a staircase like I just showed you over on that other page, the reason that it looks like that on the staircase is because we've been going up and then we'd be going sideways. We go up and then we go sideways. And so what that does is as we are going up, we are patching the hole underneath of us as we go. Instead of just going up and leaving that hole, if we fall down to a certain level, we just go through it and break down. We're actually, you know, creating support on our way up. That's what I'm saying. So as that support grows, it's going to be harder for us to fall the lower levels. With us failing to break $50,000 so many times, we should have pummeled all the way to 40,000 by now. But since we've overcame so much support, or resistance, I should say, and turned it into support, like the 200-day moving average, we basically passed all of those in like 2 weeks. We got past the 50-day moving average, then we went right past the 100-day moving average. Then it took us a little while, and we finally got past the 200-day moving average. And as we kept going, there was resistance at like 44,000. We got above it to 46. There was resistance at 46.5. We got above it to 47. There was resistance at 47.5. We got above it at 48, right? So we crawled and we scratched and we clawed our way up to 48, 49, and then finally 50,000. Well, we had serious resistance at 50,000. We couldn't do it. We didn't have enough left in us from scratching, climbing, and clawing all the way up to 50. So we break. But the good thing is breaking doesn't mean that we have to tumble all the way back down to 40,000 because of all that scratching, clawing, climbing. We now have handholds on the way down that we can, you know, if you fall, like, and you have like a handhold you can grab on and save yourself, right? That's basically what's happening. Because on the way up, we're creating these little indents that we can grab onto on the way down. And it's the same thing. When you break resistance, you have to keep breaking it. You saw we had to break it every $1,000. So that's going to create support once we're above those for enough time. And some of them we just break down like we did from 49 all the way to 46. Those we have not, you know, anchored under our feet yet and have support from that. So what we need to do is break above those levels and close above them, get enough volume to confirm we're above them, and hopefully break out of this inverse head and shoulders before it's gone for good off of the daily. Because in my opinion, it's gone off of the 4-hour. So we lost our chance on the inverse on the 4-hour, I believe. If it still happens, hey. But we also have the ascending triangle on the daily, right? And then a possible bull flag, which I doubt. I'm not going to say that's a bull flag, even though if you look, it's a textbook bull flag. When you have two, if you look up the meaning of bull flag, that's what it is. But I don't think that's really a bull flag, honestly. Is there an upward trend right now? We're on a, okay. So you are right on a macro view, because there is an upward trend on a macro view. But on the short term, that's why I say when in doubt, zoom out, because it looks bad right now in the short term. It really does. And it's turning me a little bit bearish on the short term. But I think either way, whether we go down a little bit or we go up, we are going to continue to keep climbing, and this bull market is not done yet. Not until we see either a brand new all-time high or we see a big sell-off and a finish for Bitcoin, right? So guys, thank you for showing up. I'm glad for all your questions. We are giving away 500 Satoshis, and the first winner is XDR0. So you win the first 500 Satoshis. We are going to give away 2 more 500 Satoshi bonuses during this live stream. We have about 29 minutes to an hour left, depending on how many people show up, how many questions get asked, how many people want to make 500 Bitcoin Satoshis. Simple. So I have to deposit, because I don't have any, I just withdrew. But I'm going to have to deposit some Bitcoin over here on Express Crypto so that I can send the 500 Bitcoin Satoshis to Mr. Winner XDR0. So guys, let me see some questions here, because I'm giving away 500 Satoshis 2 more times for the best either question, not just question, but statement, poem, limerick, music, rap, anything with words that sounds good. How about that? And it has to be in English so I can understand it. Sahan Vishwanta, I like how you have your name, buddy. Hey, thank you for shout out to Sahan Vishwanta and his hard work, because he is the one who advertised the video on Express Crypto. So thank you for that, Inner Council member Sahan Vishwanta. Oh, cool. So Edward is giving us some questions. We will get to those as soon as we get back. As soon as we get back. Well, we're still here, but as soon as I get back to the questions. While we're waiting, go ahead and smash that like. All you have to do is press the X button out of the top chat, hit the like button, and then come right back into the chat, and I'll possibly be done when you get back. So here we go. Oh, there's the address. Copy clipboard. Now let's get into here. How much should I send over there? I'm going to send over like 10,000. I should have kept it over there. I don't know why I did. I thought 5,000 would have been enough. 10,000 Satoshis. It doesn't work like Express Crypto. If you put 10,000 in here, it really thinks you mean 10,000. Oh, excuse me. I really apologize for that. Ooh. It really means 10,000 Bitcoin, because look, it's saying $469 million. No, I don't want to send for it. Well, I mean, I do. But I don't have that to send. So I'm going to send, what, is that $4 over there? Okay. Because I got to give away some money to you guys, and this will be, you know, for a nice little couple time. And plus my sponsor said he can give me some more money too. Trash Faucet. Guys, make sure if you're on Express Crypto to go over and check out trashfaucet.com. He has the best faucet that aren't trash. All right. Did it work? Cool. So I'm sending that over to you. You won, Mr. XDR0. So just know, as soon as that money gets over there, I will be sending you 500. Let's make it official. First winner, XDR0 from Danny Empire. He does what you don't. I love that saying. That's pretty good, man. Keep that. That's one of the best parts of your video, bro. Remember, Danny Empire does what you don't. That's cool. I don't know if that comes from something or if you made that up or what, but Okay, first winner, XDR0, 500 BTC Satoshis. And we're going to have 2 more winners. So I found a way to kind of split it up, and we might even do more after this. So, and Mr. Coinaholic, if you show your face on my video again, I will give you free crypto if you join Express Crypto. I've been looking for you to give you free crypto, but I haven't seen you in a video. But if you're watching this like later, or if you come onto the live stream, I'll give you free crypto to come on Express Crypto. So upward trend right now. So yeah, we already talked about that. Hold on to your socks. How do I feel about Polkadot right now? I've always been bullish on Polkadot. Right now, I don't know what the price is. Let's go and look at Polkadot, guys. Hold on, where's my head first? I always get, okay, I'm over here right now, so that's good. That should be good, I think. So let's go look at Polkadot then. Wait, cryptos, right? Cryptocurrencies, here we go. Ranking, maybe I can just put in Polkadot. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's number 10, too. Okay, hopefully this will pull up the chart and everything. The BSC and HECO contract actually are peg versions of that. Okay. Polkadot. So, oh, it looks like it's up a little bit. And actually, this is not a bad price for Polkadot. It's really hard to purchase and find. I don't think you can buy it on, or is it on Coinbase now? Hold on, let me check before I say either way. Because if you can buy it on Coinbase, that's the hit right there. Let's see. Tradable. Let's see. Oh, you can. Okay, it's available on Coinbase. I didn't know that. What do I think about Polkadot? I'm bullish on Polkadot. That's what I think about it, and I think it's a good crypto. I know it's a Chinese crypto, which, I think it's cool that, the Chinese government allows, Polkadot. I'm not 100% sure how that works. They crack down on Bitcoin mining, but yet most of crypto stuff is in China. I don't get it. Like they just want, the government really wants to control everything. But yeah, on the month it's really far up because it was down to 15 bucks. But look what it did last bull market. It did to $50. So if you accumulate, this is a coin. See the top big coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin. Those are all called accumulation coins. You don't buy them in one swoop to sell in a next swoop normally. Okay, unless you have like millions and millions of dollars. What you normally do with a crypto like Polkadot, like Bitcoin, is you buy in at a dip, right? And then you dollar cost average in over time and accumulate the coin, more and more of it, until you have a substantial amount. And then while you're accumulating, the price goes up most of the time over years. Say you accumulated Polkadot over 4 years. Okay, well, actually, it hasn't even been around for 4 years. So, yeah, even a year ago, August 22nd, it was worth $4. And now it's worth 26. So, right, if you were just accumulating, oh, man, you would have been in the profit. And that's how you make money. That's how I made money on Bitcoin. And now I can take my Bitcoin and buy altcoins, which can try to make more money or lose money, hopefully not. But yeah. So Polkadot has a bright future. The Kusama sidechain, helps keep it pretty safe. And, look at it. It's up 6%. What can you say? That's to Bitcoin, though, because Bitcoin's gone down. But it's really only up 2%. But, yeah. But CELO. Oh, man, why did I close that? Coin market cap. Cardano. Nope. We want to go to CELO. Okay, this coin, I almost bought it at $3 the other day, and I don't know why I didn't. I was like, man, CELO, it always pumps crazy high after it goes down. And then look, it's all the way up to 671, but you think that's cool? Look what it did. Look what it did. It pumped all the way up, way higher than that. It went to like it says $10 here. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, 1066, but let's see what it says on Coinbase. Because I think it was like 15 bucks, dude. Oh, it says 11 bucks here. So yeah, 1066. I think Coinbase exaggerates. Digibyte just did go to the moon, guys. Oh, I need to plug my phone in, because if not, it's gonna die. Where is my journal? I'm glad you guys came. I love spending my nights when there's people on the live stream. You know, I shouldn't pay attention to that as much because I do this for fun, but a lot of the reason I do it is, you know, to hang out with you guys as well, too. So let's start looking at the questions again. Digibyte to the moon, baby. Yeah, and it's blasted off, too. You think it'll go to 50K on September 9th and then we'll go down 3%? That's pretty specific. I try to stay away from those specific dates, but because I get them wrong. But right afterwards, I get the longer term ones right. Oh wow! See, I skipped part of. I don't know how that happens. I end up skipping some, or they don't show me them. I don't know. Let's see what Edward's saying. Yeah, Polkadot. That was a good question. Edward Cranium. Are you on Express Crypto? Because you get the second 500. So we have two 500 Bitcoin Satoshi winners, Edward Cranium and XDR0. Another, what do you think? Hold on, whoops. Oh, they're in the news again? What are they in the news again? I didn't see that. I was looking through the news. Link and XLM, which is better and invest long term? Definitely XLM, because I love that project. Not financial advice, but I kind of have a bias towards Stellar Lumens, as it was one of my favorite coins getting into crypto in the first place. It's one of the coins that got me interested in crypto when I watched the Coinbase Learn to Earn about it, and just I made a lot of money off of Stellar Lumens, and it was fun. Link I've bought into a few times. I never made a lot of money, and therefore it wasn't as fun for me, but I never lost a lot of money either. So it's definitely a good investment, not financial advice. But I would definitely say long term, they're both good, but I think XLM outperforms Link in the long run. I have no clue what that is. Oh, well, second winner, let's put it in the thing before we get there. Second, but you have to be on Express Crypto. I'm not sending Satoshis anywhere else besides that. Second winner, Edward Cranium. I wonder what happened to that Coinaholic guy. 500. Okay, we're going to divide the last two into 250 portions, Bitcoin. So we're going to give away two more, but they are going to be 250 apiece. So get the questions coming, guys. And I might do a bonus if we can get our concurrent viewers up to 20. So let's get some people coming in here. I'll give away more crypto. The more people that come on here, the better my channel does, and then therefore in the future I'll make money so that I can, you know, invest in you guys and in myself. So come on, let's get the likes up. If you haven't already, smash the like. All you have to do is press the X button, get out of the live chat, smash the like, and then get back in here, ask your questions, and earn more Bitcoin. So 500 BTC on EC Express. Oh, look, they get a plug. Crypto. See, I've been trying to talk to them for months about becoming a sponsor, and I have not been able to get a hold of anybody about it yet. I'm still waiting, so hopefully one day we'll get, because they do answer, it just takes a long time, and hopefully they'll want to partner with me, because I don't know, I can get kind of upset gambling sometimes. I didn't get too upset the other day, and then I ended up winning, but I was down like 6K, and then I hit the jackpot. That's the cool thing about Express Crypto. Like, yeah, gambling, a lot of the times you lose, but Express Crypto, even if you lose, you hit that jackpot, it basically, you know, covered my losses and gave me a tiny bit of profit, which I was able to give half of it away, like I said I would. So I gave half my profits away to a friend that needed help. So. Oh, I didn't put that here. Okay. Second winner. There we go. Yeah, I don't want anything to do with a coin like that. Spank chain. Disgusting. I almost want to remove it just because it's derogatory. Like, there's another one that you guys know what I'm talking about. Please don't write it in there. But Elon had a rocket. You know, it's one that he had tweeted about, and it's a picture of a rocket and then like water. You know, like protruding water. You know what I mean? And there's a coin called that, and I think it's childish. It's like only a 15-year-old would laugh at something like that, right? And it's just derogatory, and we want clean fun on the channel. So I'm not talking about that. That's fine. It's just the name of a coin. Just keep it clean. That's why I don't like a lot of the sick. You know, like, how could you invite kids into something like this and set up a financial infrastructure for our children and then make it derogatory and disgusting? Like, I'll say, cum rocket. That's what it was called. The one that Elon Musk wanted to do. Spank chain, cum rocket. Like, come on, kids. Like, seriously, is that what you are, children? You name your coin that? Would you want your kids to spend a cum rocket money? Come on, guys. That's not what you want. I know. If it is, then you're on the wrong channel. CoinGecko is a little more accurate. You're right. I've noticed that. But I like CoinMarketCap just because it has a lot of information and a lot of things that I like. But yeah, CoinGecko is good too. I'm 100% on board with CoinGecko as well. I shout out both of those. Thank you guys for always being accurate for me. Shout out. I'm just by XLM. Where should I put in Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, XO? Well, that depends. Why not put it in your non-custodial wallet? Why? I mean, it's up to you. If you feel safe with your money and want to feel safe somewhere, then put it on a place that backs your money with insurance then. Like Coinbase does. I'm pretty sure your money is backed on Coinbase with insurance, up to a certain amount, like $500,000 or some amount. That's what I've heard. Now, if that's true and you actually lose your money, and if they give it to you, now you would probably be the most safe in a non-custodial wallet that you own the private key. Now, if you have a lot of people in and out of your house and you just leave it lying around, then you have a big chance of your private key being stolen. And therefore you lose your Bitcoin. So what you're going to want to do is put it in a safe. Treat it like your debit card number, because that's basically what it is. It's not only your debit card number, but it is your bank account in itself. It would be like giving somebody your bank account. Like, here's my identity, my driver's license, here's my signature, you can write like me now, here's my PIN number, here's my bank account, it's yours. And that's what happens if you give somebody your private key. They basically own your bank account from anywhere. They can go to any wallet and go to import wallet and take your private key, put it in there, and they have your funds. So be careful with that. But if you are smart and you know that you're the only one who has your private key, put your Bitcoin in a non-custodial wallet or a ledger, a nano ledger. The only thing about hardware wallets is, what if you lose the hardware wallet? Then you're toast, right? So I don't like to have physical items that you can lose. Now, if you have it always on the internet, like on Garda or say Trust Wallet, hey, plug guys, you guys want to sponsor me, Garda, Trust Wallet? No, but then you can always back it up, and you can always have, you know, it offhand. It's on the computer, but it's not on the computer for everybody. You know, you have that private key in your safe. You write it down and put it in your safe right next to your, you know, debit card PIN number. Yeah, that's how important it is. So you have it in your safe, and you only take it out, you know, even if you're, you know, the only person you trust in your safe is the same people that you would trust with your, you know, private key. If a website, if a wallet, if anybody asks you for that private key, absolutely not. It's a scam, 100%, or it should be treated like a scam, because that's giving somebody your bank account, your whole thing. It's giving that to them. Just know that. And I've seen it before. I've had like 10, 20, 30 sites ask me for my private key, and each one of them were fake sites. And each one of them ended up ripping people off that I saw. So I'm glad I never fell for it, and I hope you don't either. So that's why I'm telling you this. I don't want you to fall for it. Yeah, so just pick one, man. You can leave it on an exchange, or you could put it in your wallet. It depends, whatever. Yeah, or like he said right here, diversify. Good answer there too. So leave some of it on the exchange. Put some of it. That's what I do. Actually, I have my crypto everywhere. I really need to sit down one day and gather up all my crypto and see how much it actually is, because I don't even know that. And I actually know that I have probably at least 15 or 20 different kinds of crypto. And you guys have seen maybe about 3 or 4 of them. So that's the problem. I have a lot moved, scattered around everywhere. And I'll probably end up over time showing you all of them, but it depends, you know. I want to make good videos for you guys, and I also want to have my own, you know, life as well, private life. So if I want to buy a coin, you know, I don't need to ask permission for my wife, but maybe I'll ask permission of my audience. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. We still are giving away 500 more Satoshis, guys. Let's get the viewers up to 10. Let's get the likes up to 10. We can do this. I know we can. We got this, yo. Yeah, don't keep all your eggs in one basket for sure. Now let's go. And this is the problem. We have failed to hit 50,000. But look at this thing. It still says Bitcoin's 48,000. Let's refresh that. Yeah, I think they just took it off of there now. They're like, oh, it's too low to mention right now. What breaking $50,000 means for Bitcoin? Bitcoin's price has hit $50,000 again. When was this? The 23rd? Oh. Yeah, that's a long time ago. I don't even know why I had this up on here, guys. So, I don't know. I thought it looked like a good article, but I guess not. Because that was the 23rd. But there was a couple of things like this. Treasury wants crypto reporting rules and $3.5 trillion reconciliation bill report. Remember the giant kerfuffle this month around a crypto tax provision embedded within the U.S. Senate's $1 trillion infrastructure bill? Get ready for the sequel. Oh, wow. So this is how it starts, and this is how it, it keeps going. This is all about clamping down on tax evasion. Dude, you're getting greedy, though. That's what it is. This isn't clamping down on tax evasion. It's you guys starting to get greedy, wanting a piece of everything, you know, like, yeah, there's going to be some things you don't get your hands in, you know, I mean, the government is so entitled sometimes. Like, why are you entitled to my money? Honestly, why? I don't get why somebody else is entitled to my money. And if not, it's illegal. Yeah. I mean, I can see why we broke off of Britain, because honestly, I don't like somebody forcing me to pay them money. It's not a fun thing. I feel like I'm being like hit up by the mafia. Like, oh, you pay us or else. And they can come in and they can take your stuff out of your house. They can, that. Wow, where did we go wrong, guys? What is wrong with this country? And now they just want more. People are suffering and can't even afford. But guess what the Senate's doing? Oh, putting another $1 trillion on the people that are actually making a little bit of money in this hard time. Let's clamp down on them. Okay. Ridiculous, man. And now, what? We're doing a 3.5 trillion. Yeah. So it gets more and more every time. This is the greed in the world that I talk about. It's too much for me sometimes, the greed. You can feel it permeate. And our government is I'm a United States citizen. I love my country. But our U.S. government is the greediest sons of jerks I ever met. I'm serious. I'm tired of it. It feels wrong to me, the way that they just, whatever they can do. We vote. So this doesn't have a lot to do with crypto, but in our city of Seattle, before the event happened, we had a bill voting for a $30 card tab. Well, they decided after we voted for it, all of us citizens voted for a $30 car tab because people were paying $300, $400, $500 a year, $800, $1,000, $2,000 a year just to license their cars. And so we were tired of it. And yeah, they want to do all these projects in the area. They have all these things, and they want to tax us for it, more and more and more and more. So it's not a voluntary thing. It's like they're putting their foot on your neck. Say, if you want to drive, you're going to have to fund these billion-dollar ideas. And so we vote for no, we don't want that. Well, guess what they do? They take it to the Supreme Court and say it's against the budget deal, and it's against this right and that right. And so guess what? We have to pay full price still, because they took it basically to the Supreme Court. The local government, when the people voted for something, the government said, no, we don't want that. We're going to fight you on that. What kind of democracy is that? We voted for it. So, okay, I'm not going to get into politics and stuff, but I wanted to let you guys know that the government's just getting ridiculous. And this is one reason. Now I understand why people didn't want Biden in office. And I didn't get it. I didn't understand. Trump was such a moron. I'm going to say it. I don't care. He's not my president now. So he was a moron, like a 2-year-old as a president. I'm sure when my daughter was 2, she could have done a better job as president than he did. I guarantee it. Oh, I know she could have done a way better job now. But even when she was 2, she could have done a better job than he did. But now we got this guy. So that's why they want Biden. He's a yes man. He says, yeah. So Trump, that's one thing I'll give him. He is a shrewd businessman. That is the one thing. He's stupid, but he's a shrewd businessman. And at least he knew the value of not crushing crypto, because guess what? Crypto can just move elsewhere. It doesn't need the United States to survive at all. And that's bad for us. Thanks a lot, government. Because it's not a U.S. thing. And this could actually take our worldwide power away, right? So the U.S. used to be the most powerful country in the world, economically, military-wise. I know some people would, argue, but that's not, who cares about that? Who cares who's the biggest and toughest? But the U.S. is like the leader of the world, right? If anybody's in trouble, we go help them. And now we're starting to become the country that is the leech. The bad thing I didn't like about Trump is that he said America first. Well, it should be America equal with the world. We don't just take care of, or did he say America only? Something like that. I don't know. I didn't like it, though, because we're the leader of the world. Like, the U.S., if bad things happen, we go help people. That is what the United States is to me. That's what this country is. That if people are in trouble, we go help them. Not Let's tax the heck out of people, our own citizens that are struggling. Let's give them a bunch of money, but then tax them so that they can't afford to live anymore. And then the people that are making money, tax the heck out of them. And then everybody, all the people that are in crypto will just leave the US. It's as simple as that. And then what are you going to tax? There's not going to be anything left for you to tax because they're all going to be gone. So unfortunately, this is what happens. Hopefully that doesn't happen and it works out, but I'm not liking it. The Biden administration wants to incorporate new crypto reporting requirements in an upcoming $3.5 trillion budget reconciliation bill, according to the report published in Roll Call today, citing an anonymous administration official. The language would require American cryptocurrency firms, namely exchanges, to report data about non-U.S. users. That information could be exchanged with other countries to make sure crypto traders pay taxes. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not saying for tax evasion. I didn't say that. I don't want people to evade that. But honestly, they need to lay off on it, though. I just think we pay too many taxes. I think they're greedy and greedy and greedy, and you can feel it. I mean, maybe not everybody can, but I guess like I'm an empath a little bit, and I feel when something is wrong, and this just feels wrong to me. You know, you ever, read something, look at something, or something that's happening, and it just feels like wrong? It just doesn't feel like something just feels off about it. That's the way this feels to me. It just feels off. Like, not that it's just like, oh, life ending, life changing. It just feels wrong. Like, this is not where our focus should be right now. Okay, yeah, we gave a bunch of stimulus away. Yeah, the whole economy sucks. But to make it harder on U.S., yeah, they're doing it the wrong way. In my opinion, it could be handled way better. And give it time. You just had one bill go through, and then they saw, oh, it went through. Oh, it didn't affect the price of crypto. Oh, we can get away with it. Let's do it again. Not even a month later. I mean, come on, dude. You already had a trillion. What, now you want a 3.5 trillion? Okay, sure, dude. Okay, Mr. Old Man. I bet you can't even spell trillion, Mr. President. He is my president, though, so I mean, that's cool, but just irritating. Moonshot bots NFTs fund Bitcoin Ethereum grants raise 1.8 million. Yeah, the decentralized Bitcoin exchange, Ethereum blockchain splits. I wonder what happened with that. I wonder if it ever got resolved or not. You never know. Guys, we're getting ready to take off here. Let's answer some more questions, give away some more crypto, and then we're done. Oh, great. So now there's an error. Are we back? Is everybody back with me? We didn't have a very good turnout today. Let's try to get this up to 10 before we leave, guys. We have 7 minutes. If we don't get it to 10, we're just going to call it a night. Are you on Express Crypto, Edward? Yeah, Bitcoin ETF. That would be amazing. And it sucks. Athetos hasn't came over here before. Hey, what's your? I need to give you your Bitcoin, Edward, bro. What's your Express Crypto name? What's your Express Crypto name, my dude? So I can give you your 500 Bitcoin. Yeah. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Okay, they got my deposit in, but it hasn't settled yet. I do have 340 still. Come on. 250 BTC sats for best question in 5 minutes on live stream. Hurry! Come on, we have to at least get this to 10. Even if only 2 minutes of your time. Yeah, we just need to get it up to 10 real quick, guys. We can do it. Hey, what's up, Tim? 88 will dump, but when is it going to dump? And then I think it's only going to dump temporarily, and then I think it's going to go higher. Honestly, hopefully I can share this on Facebook real quick. I just need to get the word out. We need to get at least 10 people on here before we call this a day, because I know we can do it. We are the best community, guys. We're just underrated on YouTube, right? So we don't give up, though, ever. We don't give up. We don't give up. Oh, I did Decoded. That's 3, though. Did I do Decoded 4? Reddit. Okay, hopefully we can get my friends over here. Yeah, if you haven't, follow me on Reddit, guys, and also over here on Publish Aux, because you can also earn Bitcoin while you read, and you can help me earn Bitcoin. We both get crypto for that. Not Bitcoin, but crypto. It's a pretty cool thing. So I never shared this from my phone. That's what I should have done. I should have shared it over there to... Oh, I can do it. Hurry right now, right? Bitcoin Decoded, right? Okay. Yeah, let's just get these to 10 people real quick. I know we can do it. I know it. We're going to do it right now. If we had an Ant here, he would do it in a second, guys. If you can get like 2 people that you know over here, I'll try to get 2 people. And if we all get 2 people over here, we will have 10 people. So that's all we have to do. With the 4 people that are here, I get 1, or I get 2, you get 2, you get 2, and I don't know who the other person, other person. Maybe if you could get 1 or 2 people too, then we'd have 12. But yeah, Bitcoin. I was starting to be in a bad mood today because everything that happened, but that's why I like doing these live streams. And not only do I do it because I think I can make money with it later, is it also helps my as an outlet for me to get some of my anger out sometimes, and also just some extra access, energy. And also it's fun. I love talking about crypto, and I like hanging out with you guys. So yeah. So Cardano's doing good. I haven't talked about Solana yet. So once we get people on here, I do want to talk about Solana a little bit, because that was in the title and we haven't really talked about it yet. Ample is good from Publish Aux. It's actually the token for Ample Fourth, which I have lost. I bought it when it was at 50 bucks. It's down to like 18. I lost about 120 bucks off of that coin, but that's because I didn't do my research. Now, if I did my research, I would have found out that $50 is way too much to buy that coin for. But the Ample that you're talking about is the governance token for the Ample Fourth governance token. So Ample is actually only worth like 97 cents, but Ample Fourth governance token, Fourth, is worth about $20 a piece. They're 2 different cryptos basically on the same network. Like you have like VeChain and then VeThor. That's a little bit different because one's gas. It's more like maybe Polkadot and Kusama, or actually what would be better? That actually has a governance token. I know there's another. I mean, I guess Ripple's governance token is XRP, but no, it's like a token you use to vote. I can't think of it right now, but there's another one that does that too. So Cardano, yes, it is a good investment. All right, now that's tweeted. We only need to get 5 more people here. That's nothing. We got this, guys. You're the best. Okay, cool. Ed Edexel. Okay, we'll get you, dude. And then I think I can also share it maybe one or two more places. I'm not 100% sure about that. It's weird because I put out a video at the same time as I was doing this. It has 0 likes, guys. After you watch this, please go over there. It's called Bitcoin Most Important Level Failed, AMP Dumping, whatever. And I did a video that came out exactly at the same time as this. But yeah, I'm gonna give away. Come on, let's give away more crypto. We need to see other people here too, though. I'm gonna give Tim to win 250. So we have 250 more to give away, guys. Let's get it done. Wait, 82 views. Oh, that's number 3. Okay. I was like, no way, we got 82 views already? Oh, I can't find it. No. Our videos lately have been doing good. Pavel, a guy from Express Crypto, I don't know what he did, if he bought subscribers or bought chat bots or something, or got his friends to come over. Whatever he did, it worked, though. Because all of my channel's been doing pretty good. We're getting a lot of comments, a lot of likes. Thank you guys. You guys are the best for that. And Pavel, thank you as well for, all the help. Really appreciate that. All right, we're going to do LinkedIn. We got 5 more people here. Let's actually, when people come over here, we want them to have something good to see. So let's let them look at this so that they can read this stuff. Actually, let's leave it right there while I do this. We just need to get 5 more people over here. That's what I'm doing. I am putting, sharing this everywhere. I normally wait until after the live stream to share or at the beginning, but we're really trying to reach our marker here. And actually, I might just ask a couple of the inner council members to come over here because there are 10 members of the inner council. So if all of them just came over here, we'd be good to go. So, yeah, just check in for a minute. All I want is to get to 10 real quick. It doesn't need to be long. And just hit the like buttons and let's get this video viral. Don't forget to check out Cass Allen over on Discord. Shout out Cass Allen. And Jazzy J Yarouge over there on Twitter. He's basically only a Twitter guy. I've never really seen him anywhere else. He has came by a couple times for the channel. And now let's see, where else can I do this? So if you wonder what we're doing, we're giving away Bitcoin, 250 Satoshis to the best comment in like the next 5 or 10 minutes. I wanted to get off of here 2 minutes ago, but we have to hit 10 people real quick. I know we can do it. We can do it. Yes, we can. We can do it because you're my fans. Bitcoin Decoded, episode 4. AMP is dumping. Cool, it was all saved on my phone. Booyah. Okay, now let's check in what we got over here. I know we're at 10, right? Oh, 5. I thought we were going to be at 10. No. No. I know you're not Ben. I know you. Thank you, Tim Nguyen. Get a couple of your buddies to come over here just for a minute. Let's get this up to 10 concurrent viewers. Oh, I got to do that too. Let's try to get Vanish. I'm actually going to start just DMing people now. I think Danny Empire, he's sleeping. I'm not going to message him. I'm going to ask him if you... Okay, so let's see if I can. Clipboard, where is it? Where is it? Right there. There's the Bitcoin Decoded 4. Okay, so we're close. Oh, 5 live streams, dang it. Who else should I ask? I'd probably ask my family, but they're busy. And he's in school, so I'm not gonna bug him. Grace, maybe Grace can come by. Can you come by the live stream, please? Okay, 5. Oh man. Okay, now we gotta go to hopefully the inner council, guys. Um, let's go to the main supporters of the channel. All right, guys. Let's see. Is there anybody in the inner council? Please stop by the live stream really quick to get 10. I just want to get 10 concurrent. I know we can do it. It just feels like it's a successful show if we get 10 concurrent viewers. So, thanks for hitting that like button, guys. I really appreciate that. Oh, good. I'm glad you made the Express Crypto account. You can earn crypto over there. You can play dice. You can do surveys. You can exchange crypto with your friends. You can exchange crypto on their actual site. There's all sorts of stuff you can do over there. So yeah, no problem. Hey, dude. Yes, Levi Ackerman. Thank you for coming by, bro. Yeah. So we're so close, man. Now let's let the outer circle know. Everyone, we need 5 more peeps on live. Please come by. See, I'm very polite. I don't like to beg. That's not begging. That's just me being polite, right? We help each other out. That's just what we do. Let's see. Bitcoin. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's still down at 46,800 now. So it's having a rough time. But I still see either we're going to go down and then, hard bounce up, or we're just going to find some miracle support that goes up. So, yeah. I think we should be good to go because 4, I really thought we were going to get the people over here. I let everybody know. Let's tell people on Express Crypto. EC, we need 5 more peeps on live stream. 20 BTC per person. Come now. There we go. Hopefully. Oh yeah, 7, baby. Now what? What do you guys want me to do real quick? You want me to do a backflip, front flip, flip, double backflip, handstand, ollie, nose grind? What? Or do you want to look at the price of Bitcoin? What do you want, guys? Or do you want to just look at my ugly mug? I can ugly mug it real quick if you want. Ugly mugged. There we go. And then you can still see the chat. So we're time to ugly mug me. Hey guys, you see my cool Nike coat? This is my favorite coat actually, and I've had it for about 2 years. It has Nike on the sleeves right there. Look at how sick that is. Where's the other one? There we go. This is a cool coat. Ooh, it's a really cool coat. You didn't hear me say that. Yes, Harsh is coming. We're getting more people over here. Thank you. Yes, you guys are the best. I can never do this without you. We're trying to give away one more 250 Bitcoin question. So if you guys have a good question, if you have a poem, a riddle, a limerick, a rap, a syllabus, what do you call them? A haiku, anything you want. Dictionary phrase, I don't care. If it's cool, then what up? There he is. There's Sing. What's up, dude? How many people we got now? 8. We only need 2 more. 2 more and we can call it a day. All right, guys, hurry up and come out with your great questions. 9. Yes, look at that spike in people now. We have 9 concurrent. It only says 7 on the stream over here, but I don't think it has caught up with the time yet. Yeah, there's Gith. Hey, what's up, man? I know him from Express Crypto. Right on. Yeah, so Edward, these are all the guys from Express Crypto. Yeah, get to know them, because if you have friends over there, then if you ever have like, you know, any problems, or if you need any help, or if you just need to trade crypto with people, there's a lot of good people over there. 10! We got it, baby! It didn't show it over here though. I don't know what the difference is. This concurrent viewers to this concurrent viewers. Let's see, chat rate. Look at that chat rate. Ooh, Askio! What's up, my dude? Dabbing on some fools today. We're actually in the loss on AMP, but yeah, that's okay. We are still winning. Okay, let's get this out of chat rate, concurrent viewers, because that's what's important. We got it to 7. We did not get it to 10. I don't know what this thing was saying. We almost did. We got it to 7. Or wait, hold on. 9. We got it to 9 right now, baby. Yeah. Oh, 10. Come on. If that 10 transfers over here to the stream settings, then we got it. I'm good, man. How are you, Harsh? It's good to see you, man. Shout out to Express Crypto. They always save my butt and make my streams a lot better. So, yeah, shout out to Express Crypto right now. Let's actually shout them out in a different kind of a way. Let's grab, say, this. Let's move it, say, over here. Let's double click it. Or actually click it here. There we go. And then just add. For the rest of this, it's not going to be for very long, but Express Crypto. Here, let's just do the whole thing. Express Crypto dot I. Oh, that wasn't a dot. Dot IO. Okay. I see that I can do an IO in the chat, so look at that. I can have Express Crypto. The only thing is it doesn't look like the actual Express Crypto, you know, with like the red and black. That would be kind of cool to have the double X. Should there be 2 X's there? Or is that just on Express Crypto? Okay, whatever. But we'll put that there in the chat. If you guys haven't already, go check this out there. If you want to check out expresscrypto.io, use my link in the description below, and then that way you will be linked to my account, and anything that you do gives me money. So pretty cool. No, and I'll probably help you out too if you guys need like some extra satoshis. With my friend, I told him every survey that you do that gives me stuff, I'll split it half and half with you, bro. Like whatever I get from the referrals, and you do like 10 surveys, I get like 5 EXS. I'll give you 2.5 of them, man. I'm not greedy. I'll share it with you. One other friend that I did, I just gave it all to him. Like, man, it's yours. You know, you earned it. So that's the cool thing about the referral program over there. So, how's everybody doing tonight? Let's look at the questions now. We got 10. Yes, we did it, baby. Oh, that makes me happy, man. Thank you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much. All right. So now, whichever question looks the best gets 250 Satoshis right now on Express Crypto. Let's start paying the people. By the time I'm done paying everybody else, because there's 3 people that I need to pay already, by the time I'm done with that, I will check the questions for one more good question. So question, comment, poem, haiku, whatever you want to do, leave it in the comments right now, and the best one gets 250 Satoshis right now. Okay, let's make sure all of that went in my thing. Reset. $1 to $5. Okay, so the first person to win was who? It was XDR0, right? Yep, so let's do gift XDR0 and then 500 BTC. And I think Trash Faucet is going to help pay for this time. So let's make sure that we keep his name in here too. Sorry about that, dude. It was in there for the whole thing except the last part though. So XDR0 500 BTC. Let's see. Yeah. So we gave that to him. I don't know which way if you can see it, but there it is. And then the next person who won 500 Bitcoin Satoshis is Edward Cranium, and his Express username is EdHexXL. HeadXXL. And then 500 BTC. There you go, dude. So I gave that one to him. So there we go. And then our third person was Tim Nguyen, and I think he won 250. So, and he is, I know who he is. I try to do gift again. 250 BTC. Hey, oh, wrong name or what? Gift. I thought I had the right name, man, but it didn't seem to work. Maybe I have to put a capital. Oh, and your name's nowhere in there. All right. I'm not Ben. And then that. 250. There we go. Okay, so we have all of those done now. I gave away all the crypto. Now let's see which one of you have the best question. So I am very happy, bro, of course. But let's start up here. Okay. This guy just found out about Express Crypto, guys, so welcome him to Express Crypto. His name is EdHeadXL over there. Harsh, what's up, dude? Get in. I got this only because of you. Yeah, I know, we got to 10! Yeah! Dabbing on these fools. Cracking up the bangs. Sweet. That was awesome. So... Solana 113. I can't believe it. Every time it goes down, I want to buy and then I don't. Yeah, that's why I like doing these videos, man. All it took was 10 people to come watch my video at one time, and it made me happy. It changed my day from going bad to freaking amazing. So thank you guys for helping my day be better. You know, nope, it's still live. Still live for another minute or two. Until I was going to quit before, but then more people came and we did it. So yeah, we're just going to give away this 250 and then we're done. Like I said, so Askio, oh, hold on, what did that say? I hate it when it moves on me. Okay, Askio Owen. Cardano is still a good investment. Are you asking him or me? 1088. Yeah, now it's like $25, like $28. That's so true. It should be like one Cardano now. My cat, I know, he's actually in the chair. You just can't see him. Which way do I move? How come it won't let me go live? I know if I move out of the way you can see him. Oh well. He's back there. I'll bring him over here in a minute. One by one, yeah. That's all I got. Alright, we need your son. Your view just bumped up. I know, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Who got Bitcoin and EC has left the stream. Yeah, that's so true. I know. Some people just come for the Bitcoin, but a lot of you guys come just to support me. And I know that's the only reason. You could care less about the Bitcoin. So you guys are freaking awesome for that. Thank you. It means a lot to me, you know. I have big dreams of growing big on YouTube, and it starts with a core audience of amazing people. So we already have the core audience of amazing people. Now we just need to step up the game a little bit. All right, so I think I know who has the winner, and it is going to be Pirate Wolves. Yep. It is Pirate Wolves. Even though you didn't ask it to me, is Cardano still a good investment? Why I say that is because that's actually part of the name of this stream. Is Cardano, still a good investment? Yeah, so you're actually going to get 250 Bitcoin Satoshis for that, Pirate Wolves. So, let's make it official. Tim, no, I always forget how to spell that. N-G-Y-U-N, Nguyen. Hold on, let me look. N-G-U, okay, N-G-U-Y-U-N, right? Y-E-N. I had a doctor with that name once. Tim Nguyen is 250 BTC winner, and I already paid you. And then last but not least, Pirate Wolves is 250 Bitcoin winner. All right. We will see you on Express Crypto. Let me give this to Pirate Wolves, and then you should stay on for this amazing outro that I do. If you ever watch AEW, then you will know exactly where this comes from, and it's one of my favorite parts of the video. I love doing it. I actually wait the whole video just so that I can do it, and sometimes when I'm on TikTok, I like to do it a couple times. Oh man, why couldn't your name be there to be easy? Okay. Is it just Pirate Wolves? Okay. And then 250 BTC. Did it do it? Yeah! Cool, we did it. And we have 11 concurrents. Okay, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!